What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes inside of the box of the new frame TVs from TCL. If you want to pick one of these up, it's linked down below. But in this video, again, I'm going to show you what comes inside the box, and I'm also going to show you how to set it up and mount it to your wall. So here's what comes inside the box. It comes with all the necessaries. You see, you get a little pamphlet, you get a power cable, you get some batteries, and you get the remote. The remote's that little white thing right there. Hard to show you, but it does come with the frames that go around the television. It comes in two pieces. So you have that all right here, and I'll show you how to set that up. And then you also have the TV, which we have as a mess right here. You can see it's pretty much unboxed, but we're gonna go through it and set it up and put some lights on the back as well. And then here is the box. You can see it's the TCL with Google TV built into it, A300W. This is the 75-inch. And it kind of tells you what you have on there. So it's ultra thin, matte screen, which I love, especially when it's in a sunny environment. Art mode, so it comes with included art library, new AI art, so you can basically choose your own art. Flush wall mount included, and second light wood-like bezel included. Here's the mount that it comes with. It's the WM454A85 wall mount bracket. Comes right inside of the box, and again, we'll show this with the installation. So first thing we're gonna do is take the brackets and attach them to the back of the TV. All right, so we took the screw out of the first one. All right, on the back of the TV, you have a USB port, you have a LAN port, you have an HDMI port for ARC, then you have HDMI 2, and then you have HDMI 3 and 4. Now, HDMI 3 and 4 is 60 hertz, HDMI 1 and 2, 144 hertz. This one is, again, for ARC, but it's also 144 hertz. So if you had multiple gaming systems, unfortunately, you're only going to be able to use one for 144 hertz if you're using the eARC port. Beyond that, we also have a cable antenna. We have another USB port. We have an AV-in adapter port, which is audio video. We have a headphone jack, and then audio out optical. At the bottom of the TV, you're going to use these little divots right here for any management of cables running from the different ports. Now, we did use a leveler to get this all lined up, but this comes inside the box, which is going to give you exactly where to put the TV VESA holes. So again, it's just extra added info in case you really want to level this up. Here's a closer look at the remote if you were curious. I actually like the remote a lot, looks very nice. Just slide the back off. It comes with the AAA batteries. And then slide this back. During the setup of this, you're definitely going to want to plug all of your HDMI and the power in, because if you don't, you're gonna have to unmount, like pull this TV off the wall and plug your things in. And you'll have to do that for anything in the future as well. I do wish this had like a little box like the Samsung Frame TV does, but this doesn't, not a big deal, but we'll deal with it. But again, definitely plug in everything before you hang the TV up. this point, you're just gonna run through this, which is just asking you to set up your Google TV, which is pretty straightforward. So just go along with these steps. That is how you set this 75-inch TCL art television, frame television, whatever you want to call it, up. It is a beautiful, beautiful picture. I love this television so far. I've only had it for a day at the time of making this video, but very simple to mount to your wall and set up within the software. I will have additional videos on this with like walkthroughs and tips and tricks and a full review as well. But if you want to pick it up, it is linked down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.